Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Andrew. Learning English is simple and fun here. I am Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It feels so good to spend this time with you today.
It really does, Andrew. You look very cheerful. You have a big smile.
I am feeling great. I feel calm today.
That is nice to hear. Why are you so calm?
This morning, I took a long walk. I went to the park near my home.
That sounds wonderful. Was the weather nice?
It was perfect. The sun was bright and the birds were singing. My day started so well.
I love that. And Andrew, this actually fits our topic today.
Oh, really? What are we talking about?
Today, we will talk about spending time in nature.
Great topic. Nature is very important.
Yes, we will explain why nature is good for your mind, and we will learn some English words for outdoor activities.
Nice. We can talk about walking, hiking, and picnics.
Yes, and how nature helps you feel better.
Good. But Sarah, before we begin, there is something small we want to ask our listeners.
Yes. Friends, if you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe to English Talk Andrew.
Tap the subscribe button. It helps us make more lessons for you.
And please like this video and share it with someone who wants to learn English too.
Thank you. We appreciate your support.
All right, Andrew, let's talk about nature.
Let's do it. So, Sarah, I visited the park this morning.
A big park with many trees, right?
Yes. Before the walk, I felt a bit stressed.
Stressed? Why?
Work, messages, the busy city. My mind felt full.
I understand that. Life moves fast these days.
It does. But after 10 minutes in the park, I felt completely different.
How did you feel?
Calm. My stress disappeared.
That is the power of nature. It is very good for your mental health.
Mental health means how your mind feels, right?
Yes, just like you exercise your body, nature helps exercise your mind.
I agree. When I hear leaves moving in the wind, I relax.
Same here. There is a word for this, mindfulness.
Mindfulness. That sounds like a big word. What does it mean?
It means paying attention to the present moment, not thinking about tomorrow or work, just being here.
So if I look at a flower and only think about the flower, that is mindfulness.
Exactly. You are not checking your phone. You are simply noticing the flower.
Speaking of phones,
Oh yes, our phones. We look at them all the time.
I use my computer for work and then I look at my phone for messages. My eyes get tired.
Mine too. That is why nature is great for a digital break.
Digital break. I like that. It means taking time away from screens.
Yes. When you go to the forest or the beach, put your phone away. Leave it in your bag. Look at the sky, not your notifications.
Good advice. The sky is more beautiful than any app.
It helps you reconnect with the real world.
So true. Grass, trees, lakes, all of it is real.
So, Andrew, walking in the park is one activity. What else can we do outside?
Many things. My favorite is hiking.
Can you explain hiking?
Hiking is walking for a long time in forests or hills. Sometimes it is a little hard.
Do you need anything special?
Good shoes. You do not want your feet to hurt. I also take a backpack with water and sometimes a map.
A map is very smart. You do not want to get lost.
No, not at all. But the best part of hiking is the view.
The view?
Yes, when you reach the top and look down, it is amazing.
I can imagine. You see the whole area.
Yes, you feel strong because you reached the top.
I like walking, but I enjoy sitting more.
Sitting is nice too. What is your favorite outdoor activity?
Picnics.
Of course, you love snacks.
I do. A picnic is the perfect afternoon for me.
Tell us about your perfect picnic.
I need a big blanket on the grass, a basket with food, sandwiches, fruit like grapes and strawberries, and something cool to drink like lemonade.
That sounds lovely. Eating in the sun, reading a book, relaxing.
Yes, that is my happy place.
What about the ants?
Oh no. Yes, ants love picnics too.
They want your sandwich.
I try to be polite. They live there.
So we have hiking and picnics. What about camping?
Camping is sleeping in a tent, right?
Yes. Do you like camping?
I try, but I get scared of the dark.
The forest can be very dark at night, and there are night sounds.
Like owls. Or something walking.
Maybe a rabbit?
Or something bigger.
Maybe. But camping is fun. You can make a fire and look at the stars.
That is true. You can see so many stars outside the city.
It feels magical.
Maybe I will try camping again if you come with me.
I will keep you safe.
Thank you. Another good activity is biking.
Riding a bicycle?
Yes, many parks have bike paths. It is great exercise.
And it feels free. The wind feels nice.
Yes, nature gives a feeling of freedom.
Can nature help us learn English?
Yes, you can practice vocabulary. When you walk, look around and name things.
Tree, flower, bird.
Yes, or describe things. The tree is tall, the sky is clear, the grass is soft.
You can also write in a notebook.
Yes, sit outside and write what you see. It is peaceful and good for English practice.
Nature also helps you connect with friends.
Yes, talking in a quiet place is easier than talking in a noisy cafe.
And walking side by side feels natural.
I always have good conversations outdoors.
Sarah, what if someone does not live near a forest?
That is okay. You can still find nature, a park, a garden, even one tree.
Yes, even looking at leaves is nature.
You do not need a mountain, just a small, peaceful moment.
Take a deep breath. Fresh air helps a lot.
Andrew, do you have a challenge for our listeners?
Yes, I want everyone to spend 20 minutes outside this week. No phone.
Only 20 minutes.
Yes, and name 5 things you see.
That is a great challenge. I will do it too.
Me too.
Talking about nature makes me want to go outside right now.
Same here. But let's finish the episode first.
Right. Then we plan a picnic with cookies.
Maybe without ants.
We will try.
This conversation was nice. I feel fresh.
Me too. Nature reminds us that we need time to slow down.
Yes, we are not machines. We need green spaces.
Very true. I think that is all for today.
Yes, we talked about many things. Mental health, hiking, camping, picnics, and taking breaks from screens.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
And we hope it helps you talk about nature in English.
And before you go, please subscribe and share this podcast.
Send it to a friend you want to take a walk with.
And write a comment. We love reading your comments.
Here's our question for you. What is your favorite outdoor activity?
Tell us in the comments in English. Any answer is welcome.
We cannot wait to read your replies.
Thank you so much for listening.
Have a peaceful week.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye. Go outside and enjoy the world.